Hello YouTube, Metallic Mindstein here for a little bit of gold to silver alchemy. So I don't know if you've been following it or not, but the price of gold and silver has been going down, down, down. So it's not really the time to sell, but it did present a unique opportunity because the ratio between gold and silver has been growing. At the end of last year, the beginning of this year, I had picked up a good handful of 10th ounce American Gold Eagle graded coins. And I had bought those with the intention of selling them for a little return, doing a nice flip. And the price of gold had gone up and I'd sold a few, but I was waiting for it to go up some more, and then it has just plummeted. So not exactly the right time to be selling these, but it did work out that I was able to trade these. So I went into a trusted coin dealer and I brought him these gold 10th ounce and I walked out with a bunch of silver half dollars. I had wanted to trade these for all walking liberties, but he was afraid he didn't have enough, so I got a little discount, well, less than the walking liberty price, and traded these just as bulk half dollars, which still had quite a few walking liberties mixed in there. So we're going to see how good I did. We're going to dig into the bag here and see what's inside. I'm going to just pull them all out. I'm not going to bore you with the whole process, but if I find anything interesting, like if you saw, and I had seen it there at the store, there was at least one Barber coin mixed in, so that's really cool. So I'm going to stack these up and show you what I got, so wish me luck. $50 face value in. Let's do the rundown. We have 15 that are minor problem, you know, rim dings or tape residue on the back, or maybe a little bit of cleaning or something. Not a big deal, still full weight silver. We have 43, I believe is what it was, on the Franklin half dollars, 7 Kennedy 1964 half dollars, 32 Walking Liberty half dollars with a couple of ones that are going to require a follow-up. Here's a 1920, I believe it's D, and a 1929, I think is what it was, 1929 S. So I need to follow up and see what the value is on both of these. And then also we got both of these Barber half dollars. This one's been cleaned. This was the one that I pulled out right at the very beginning on top. 1912. It's been cleaned, so not worth that much. But this one worth a little bit of a premium. A little bit of worn area right there, but it's probably about good condition. About good condition. 1912D. So that's neat. Now, something interesting was this Polish coin that came out of there. This thing is not even silver. So angry. He ripped me off. Arr. No, not like that. But I will probably bring it back to him because this is just a copper nickel coin. So it's not silver. 1959 Polish coin. And the guy on there, doesn't this guy look like the prince or something from Beauty and the Beast once the Beast turned back into a prince? Kind of looks like a caricature a little bit, but some Polish royalty or leadership, I'm sure. All right, guys, I'll bring you back with another $50 face value. Maybe if I'm lucky, I'll pull out some double eagles, gold double eagles mixed in with the half dollars. You think it can happen? I don't think so. Those things are a little bit bigger than half dollars, so that is not likely to ever happen. But get a whole bunch more Barbers. An even mix of everything. It's showing right there. Actually, I see something. What is that right there? Yep, another Barber. 1911. Mint mark? No mint mark. 1911, no mint mark. There you go. Pretty cool. Anyway. Stalling. No. I'm pulling them out. Just going to pull these all out right now. Show show you what we have. It was $121 face value total, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out the next $71 in face value, and then I'll sort through them. Come out as a stack. What else do we have? Seen anything interesting? Rare or different? We're almost there. Almost there. A few more to go. Uh-oh. It's not responsible. Pulling the bag around. At least one for it. I think it's two. So, that's what we have. I'll dive into them and show you what there was. Alright, so here's how we did. These right here are our Franklins. These are the Culls, the dingy, dirty rim dings. A few more Franklins, walking Liberties, 3 Barbers, and a stack of 1964 Kennedys. So for a close look, some of the notable ones were the 1918 Philadelphia and the 1918 Denver. Also a 1920 Denver. 1929, I believe it's a San Francisco S-Mint, and a 1933 S-Mint. It's pretty worn. It's got a little bit of a scratch there on the right, but still, that is a harder to find year, so I'm really happy about that. There are our Walking Liberty halves, the 3 Barbers, and then also we got a 1948 and 1949 in AU condition. At least extra fine, but I believe those are both AU. Alright, and a 1963 in mint state. So, pretty cool. Overall, I'm real happy with this lot, especially with those the older ones in the 1933 S. Very cool. So, how do you think I did on my Alchemy? I converted 11 10th ounce American Gold Eagles in MS70 PCGS holders for $121 face value in halves. That's at $12 times face. That's 1.1 troy ounces of gold for 86.5 troy ounces of silver. So with the ratio of like 77:1. Now I did, pay initially a fair premium on the gold 10th ounce over spot price, but that still gives me a ratio of 77:1 when the current ratio is about 74.5 or 75. So I think overall I did pretty good. I think it's a safe trade in the gold to silver ratio trade. Because I do think that that's going to shrink back down to at least 72:1 within the next couple months. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Y'all take care. Have a good one.